Attention!
When we step on that battlefield, we fight for each other.
You're moving on a restricted target.
Which is why it's so hard to give up that brotherhood.
You had to shoot him to end the fight.
An example needs to be made.
Along with this insignia comes the trust that we put in you to wear it. You've broken that trust.
I'm not gonna apologize for what I did.
Thank you for your service.
Is it that obvious?
I need 2 shooters for a time-sensitive op. I'm offering you a chance to finish what you started. And to keep your brothers from danger.
If we do this,
Eyes and ears in position.
I need to know that you can find the brakes.
You have my word.
You do not have to carry this weight alone.
RPG!